What's the meaning of COBOL? COBOL. COBOL.
COBOL. COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Business-Oriented Language. It is a high-level programming language designed for business applications. COBOL was first introduced in the 1960s and is still used today, especially in industries such as finance and government. The language was created to be easily understood by non-technical personnel, making it accessible to those who work outside of IT departments. Despite its age, COBOL remains an important language for many businesses and continues to be updated to meet modern needs.